The civil fraud trial involving former President Donald Trump's family has drawn significant attention, with both Eric and Donald Trump Jr. taking the stand in New York. During this trial, Donald Trump Jr. testified and denied any knowledge of the alleged accounting fraud that inflated property valuations within the Trump Organization, asserting that such matters were the responsibility of CPAs. As Eric Trump, the co-defendant and the former president's son, faced the court, online observers noticed a curious detail in the footage of the proceedings. A video captured Donald Trump Jr. entering the courthouse, during which a security officer appeared to make a three-finger gesture while the former president's son ascended the courthouse steps. On November 1, 2023, a post on X by user at KJB463 featuring the video gained widespread attention, with the caption, "What the hell is this sign? Watch the officer. OMG." This brief gesture intrigued numerous online commentators, including Mary Trump, the former president's niece, who has been openly critical of her uncle and has been following the trial closely. She questioned the significance of the officer's gesture, promising to share her insights in a forthcoming newsletter. However, the officer's intent behind the gesture remains speculative, with no further evidence or explanation available. Newsweek has reached out to the New York courts for a statement regarding the officer's actions. One online commentator even suggested the possibility that the gesture resembled a W, potentially indicating white power. It's important to note that such claims were based solely on the visual similarity to certain right-wing symbols and did not provide evidence of the officer's intentions. This interpretation may have been influenced by former associations between Trump and white nationalists, as well as controversies regarding related symbols during his presidency. Another commentator initially proposed that the gesture might be related to the Three Percenters, a right-wing anti-government militia group associated with a three-finger symbol. Nevertheless, the officer's intent remains uncertain. Considering alternative explanations, it's plausible that the officer's gesture was a reference to either the courtroom or the specific floor of the court where the trial was taking place. The trial was being held in room 300 of the New York Supreme Court, located on the building's third floor. Given this context, it's reasonable to consider the gesture as a simple means of providing directions or coordination. Additionally, the guard does not seem to be directing the gesture specifically at Trump Jr., and wider shots of the video reveal that the officer may have been communicating with other court officers at the base of the stairs before the entrance. Crucially, the political beliefs or motivations of the officer in question remain undisclosed, leaving the true meaning of the gesture a subject of uncertainty.